Yeah.
Alone, every night alone. Why am I alone when you know that you want me to? Am I wrong?
Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So before we even get into the video, I know you guys are probably wondering, Chrissy, where have you been again? And that's going to be something that I'll talk about in the future in another video. But even though that video may not be this one, this video will be contributing to self-care and maintenance, getting back to myself, feeling good and looking good. So I don't know about y'all, but I honestly feel like when you look good, you feel good. And even if that's not the main priority or top on your list of having the most perfect or amazing day ever, I truly believe that there's science behind when you look good, you feel good. Speaking for myself, I feel like I have a more productive day. My mood is better, whether that be me putting on something nice or getting my nails done or keeping my toes up to par. It just makes me feel good. And just looking in the mirror, literally just walking past the mirror, you like, I look good. And that honestly affects my mood and my day. And that's why I like to keep myself up. And that's what this video will be basically focusing on. So we want to give a huge shout out to UNice for sponsoring this video and playing a huge part in making me look good in the process.
Let me tell them a story. That's how blessings upon me, and that's how I made to give him the love. I'm delighted. Jano tell me passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a poison.
So UNice provided this beautiful V-part kinky curly unit. This hair blended perfectly with my real hair. As you guys can see, I got so many compliments on this hair, and I honestly started to believe this was my real hair, which is sick, honestly. And even in my DMs, you guys was really loving this hair, so I had to drop the tea and let y'all know what was going on. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check the description box below. And also, if you guys are interested in any of the services that I got done, make sure you check that out below as well. Okay, so I'm ending all of this talking right here. This is not supposed to be a walkthrough video on how I achieve these things. I honestly just wanted it to be a vibe and therapeutic session to motivate you guys to pour into yourself and show yourself self-care, self-love, whether it's maintenance and just doing what you want to make yourself happy and to contribute to making a better version of yourself. So if you don't take anything from this video, I just want you guys to pour into yourself and then you can pour into others. But until then, work on yourself, work on self-reflection, and do what makes you happy, period. So I want to thank y'all so much for supporting me, whether it be on Instagram, on YouTube, or my business. I really appreciate all of the love and support. I see it. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't thank y'all enough. But if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we have a lot of work to do, baby, and we have a lot to catch up on. So I'll see y'all in my next video. We'll chat soon. Bye, guys. Mwah.
Blessings all for my life. My thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall by my right hand. But I was for the friends that take off the bill. One time did sit up in a class and report that only set the road and the one with the road. Third one, me say me tired thing. And you know it's bound up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic fire sing. Yeah, see me all diggy soon get the higher ring. Like hello brother, say I just shot ya. Saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. With me the butter pass through your shot. You're fall in a life, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall by my right hand. But I go to the friends where they go below. One time they sit down in a class and we pour them. Only said the road and we go on with it, go on with it. That's how our blessings upon me. And send me to tell them a story. That's how our blessings upon me. And that's how I made to give him the love. I'm delighted. Jano tell me passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a poison. Blessings
side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done.
You've been waiting so long, I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me too. Now it's me and you. I've been waiting at baby, think I wanna make it move. Baby, tell me you like it. Tell me if you like it. I've been waiting, think I wanna make it move. Baby, tell me you like it. I was waiting for you to tell me you were ready. I know what to do if only you would let me. As long as you're cool with it, I'll treat you right. Here's where you wanna be. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. I heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. I know you're the one I wanna give it to. You can see you want me too. Now it's me, it's me. Now baby, I've been waiting for you. Wanna make up, think about making that move. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. I've been waiting. Hey, you wanna make that move? Wanna make the move. Baby, tell me how you like it. Yeah, baby, I love you all the way. Where you like it, I promise you. I swear, relax and let me move. Secret, we'll keep it between me and you. Now, oh yeah, I'm gonna make that move now. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it now. Yeah, I've been waiting. Oh, I wanna make that move. Make the move now. Baby, tell me how you like it. It's me and you. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make that move now. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Yeah, I've been waiting. Oh, I wanna make that move. Make the move now. Baby, tell me how you like it. It's me and you. It's just me and you. It's just us two. Baby, so just like you now. I'm waiting. I love it. I'm waiting.
Check up on it, got it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Got it, flown it. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Got it, flown it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Got it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around you, watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Come over and 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 check up on it.
I know what you want me to know. Oh, I'm loving that shit, you coming so crazy. I know so right up, that's how I know it's good. You always gonna go be invited, but you go acting right. Be invited, but you not acting right. Oh, crazy. They need to stay, but I ain't there. It's you wanna be, problems.
Like the smell to see is it what or no. They ain't got a key, she come to the room, I tell her front desk to let her roll. She fly with me, I like I'm ready, I'm just getting up professional. Yeah, she told me to get a BC in the 7-0. Hey, baby, hey, 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 hey,
My baby, my Valentine.